I'm Dr. David Bertone at DB Orthopedic Physical Therapy. Are you stuck at home working on the computer for several hours a day? Here's a trick that you can use to help build a little bit of core strength, change your posture throughout the day, and get your muscles functioning in your legs by sitting on a physio ball. So one of the key things you want to do is when you're working on the computer sitting, you want to make sure that your thighs are parallel to your body. So you don't want the knees up to your chest like that. The ball would be too small, and you don't want the ball too high, so it changes your mechanics. But you want a ball big enough so your thighs are absorbing some of the stress while you're sitting and keeping your back nice and straight, and a little bit of core activation by tightening your abdominal muscles. So during the day while you're working, you can do a little bouncing to get your thighs functioning. Right, you can still do your work at a desk like this, and then periodically you can stand, take a little pressure off. You can do a little bit of backward bending, and then sit right back down. And that way you have some muscle activation instead of being in a chair, slumpy with your arms out, which can develop into faulty pain syndromes. If you do develop bad habits and it results in pain syndromes, please check out our website and book an appointment immediately online. You can see our therapist's schedule and who's available and get an immediate appointment that's convenient for you at dborthopt.com.